account locked on Morningstar Fix. You go to log into Morningstar to track your investments or research funds, and suddenly, your account is locked. It's frustrating, but here's the good news. It's easy to fix once you understand why it happens. Morningstar locks accounts for several reasons, including too many failed login attempts, logging in from a new device, or system security checks that detect unusual behavior. Most people assume it's a glitch, but the truth is, Morningstar's system is protecting your financial data. To unlock your account, go to the Morningstar login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your email and follow the link sent to your inbox to reset your password. Once you've created a new one, wait a few minutes before logging back in. If you don't see the email, double-check your spam folder or add Morningstar to your safe sender list. If you're still locked out, clear your browser's cookies and cache or try logging in using a private window. If none of that works, contact Morningstar support through their help section. Provide your registered email, full name, and a brief explanation of the issue. Their support team can manually verify your identity and restore access. For future prevention, enable two-factor authentication if available, update your password regularly, and avoid using shared devices to log in. Most people get anxious when their investment accounts lock, but here's the truth: this is a sign of strong security, not failure. Once verified, you'll regain full access to your research tools, portfolio tracking, and analysis features safely.